This side is jacked up wicked bad. Look at this. The jack is so far. We gotta put the passenger side tire on first for sure, boys. For sure. I came inside to warm up real quick, boys. It is snowing pretty bad out there. Trying to get these 24x14 wide Archons onto the truck. You know, it's snowing. We want to see them on there. Want to get the stance gang going. So we got new lugs. Hopefully they fit. Hopefully we have a socket.
Disease, a plague, we all love to hate. Have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. Can't stop this, be chronic. I'm on it. I just wanna be.
It's probably a couple fucked up.
Wow, what is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Bert Builds here on this beautiful snowy day. And we have a mission, boys. We have to make this truck drivable on the streets. And right now, it is not. It is ugly, and it has bald, spanked out tires. So we gotta get those ugly girls off here. Look at these things.
Being in a crisis, do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast.
Really smooth so far. We gotta hustle. We should set a stopwatch and see how fast, like a NASCAR tire change.
You're already slower than like all four.
Where's the diff? This is a brand new jack. It slides nice. Here we go. Give her a good crank.
It's off the ground. Oh.
Oh. Those lugs back on.
Also, do you have vacuum locking hubs?
Yeah. But
Okay, so you won't have trouble. I have manual locking hubs because it's an XLT. So I just chose violence and didn't have four-wheel drive.
I have both though. Like I have a locking on the outside and. Can't you
Oh,
both?
I don't know.
Because it still goes into four-wheel drive. I don't know either. I'm still, because like the Cummins, the four-wheel drive works, but I never hooked up the vacuum lines for the actuator. It just works by me locking the hubs and hitting the switch. You know, because the switch just tells the transfer case to engage. That's all that does. It's electronic.
Beats me.
Wheels on the GTI.
What?
Atlas.
Why don't you try to thread them home by hand first, you schmuck?
It's already for. We're losing to the NASCAR people right now.
Yeah, for sure. They also have like 8 people. They have like a lug nut guy and a wheel guy for every tire. cold.
Yeah, it's cold as fuck out. This one's covered in snow for some reason. Lugs, baby. Looks good with the black spikes, don't you think? Look at that. Now you can shotgun beers anytime you want.
Like it.
On the go.
On the go.
Beautiful. 1/2 inch impact. Does it again. Look at that long john. Now we gotta load these bad Larrys up.
Fit these into a minivan somehow.
They'll go in. They'll go in.
Started turning.
Last one. Go in.
There it is. 4 14 wides in the back of a minivan.
That's it. Hold on. Does it shut?
Oh, she
Look at
shuts.
that. The trusty tripod of the Milwaukees. Look at this thing. Now you guys will be able to see me when I actually do stuff since it still isn't me. Oh yeah. .24 by 14 wide Archons. Brand spanking new. Sticker's still on it right here. Just got worn down. Apparently these tires are directional too, the tires and the wheels. So we'll probably put them all on backwards. This side is jacked up wicked bad. Look at this. The jack is so far. We gotta put the passenger side tire on first for sure, boys. For sure. There she goes. Thread them all on by hand, of course, to start. I guess it feels normal. Oh god, it's cold, boys, cold. My finger is messed up. Dropped a 4R on top of it.
Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them. Yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
Hard to keep up with all this snow. My goodness. Here we go, dropping her down. That fits them. But we're gonna go throw these on. Everything else on this table will be a future video. We have 16 rock lights, 6 cab lights, all LED, all custom from FCK light bars. Amazing stuff. And of course, the power-driven diesel 700 horsepower kit that we're gonna be throwing on the old King Ranch Fummins. That'll all be future videos. Most stuff will be future. You don't.